Can you find the slip stitch to join on any side of this granny square? You can't because I used the invisible join that alleviates this ugly knot when you're crocheting in the round. Let me show you exactly where the join is. Here's my seam. This would be the join right here. And this works great, especially when you're sewing granny squares together to avoid that knot. If you like tips like this, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you're always up to date on all of my tips. So let's hop directly into this tutorial. I made it to the part of the pattern where I would typically slip the join into the top of the chain 3, but we're not going to do that. I'm going to fasten off my work and pull my yarn through, but don't pull too tight. Take a needle, of course, thread your yarn. What we're going to do, instead of going in through that top of your chain 3, we're going to insert your needle into the first double crochet right here and pull through. Don't pull too tightly. Pull enough where it looks like it's beginning to match the length of your other stitches. Now take your needle and go into that last completed double crochet. Here's the first double crochet. Here's the chain, and here's the last completed double crochet of that round. We're going to go into the back loop only and pull through. See how it matched your stitches almost perfectly? Now you're just going to turn it over and weave in your work to fasten off. And how you do that, I would just say weave in like you usually would. So your stuff doesn't come loose. I usually do a quick weave through first and loop through again and continue to weave in my work as usual. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on the invisible join, and whoops, can you see? And make sure you check out all my other crochet hacks, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye guys.